Hi friends, welcome to my channel, My Creations. So we're going to make a train from these boxes, these threads, this tape, and a pencil. Now I'm going to do my train. So first I'll get one and I'll get this. I'll make a hole right here.
Oh, Daddy, that's perfect.
And then I'll make another hole over here. So we're done this one, but I'm going to do this one. And then we'll make this side. And then we're going to do a little holes in the box. Now we're done the holes in the boxes. Now we're going to put the thread in the boxes. So we'll need one thread. Put in. Then we'll tie it up. Same with the other boxes. Then we'll tie it with the other box. We'll do with this box. And we'll do it on the other side of this box. Next, we'll do with this box. Let's cut the thread. Put it in here. Now we're going to join the boxes together. I'll take this. And I'll take this. I'll put this. Then I'll make a knot. It's going away. Now we'll have to join the boxes together. I'll make a knot over here. And then I'll just connect this way. And then make it there. Same as this one, I'm going to make a thread piece here. I'll grab it. The same like this. Get this piece of wire, put it in. Now what we do is we'll get some decorations and stick it on the piece for decoration. Then peel this off. Now I've peeled it off. Now I'll stick it on the front. And there we go. Our train is done. But we have to put the thread so you can pull it. So I put the hole here. Now I'm gonna just tie it. I'll get the thread. Pull, pull, pull. And voila. Our train is done. Now I'm going to put my dog in here, the pig and the sheep in here, eating some hay, and the horse. I have a door for my baby that you could put in and put out, and you can actually put her to bed, and you can open it when you want to take her back. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.